Hello everyone. Today we have Vansha with us, who is one of the most popular English speaking instructors at UnoLearning and is known to help a wide range of age groups and backgrounds to speak English proficiently, like kids, teens, working professionals, and homemakers. Let's know more about Vansha directly from her. Hi Vansha, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good too, thank you. Vansha, please tell us about your background and experience in teaching so far.
Throughout my education, English has remained my main subject. And while talking about my work experience, I have been teaching for more than 8 years now.
Okay.
And in Learning, I am teaching students of different backgrounds and different age groups as well, like kids, teenagers, working professionals, and homemakers as well. So, Learning, since I've started working here, I am, really enjoying it.
I'm sure I can see that on your face. Vansha, what difference do you find between online teaching and the traditional way of teaching?
There is a difference in traditional setup. You go out, you meet people, But again, one thing that I have found is that in traditional setup, you just meet limited number of people.
Yeah.
But here in this online setup, especially working with Learning, I'm able to meet people of different background, and that throughout the world. So
Wow.
it's really been a very good experience. And online platform, I believe, is more convenient.
Yes, definitely. And I think it's convenient for the students as well.
Of course.
If we talk about the metro cities, it takes almost like 2 hours to reach somewhere for 1 hour class. And at the same time, if they are at home, they'll save that time.
Exactly.
Yeah. Vansha, how many students do you teach at a time in the Learning classroom?
In Learning, it has special guidelines given to us that we are supposed to teach only 5 students at a stretch, so that every student gets individual attention.
Oh,
So we only teach 5 students in our batch.
that's amazing. And how do you ensure that the students have understood the concept well, and how do you measure their progress?
For that too, Learning has, special all the arrangements done for students so that we can, check all the, progress and, where the student, he is weak or, we need to work on his weaknesses. So we have a proper setup for that. So, Learning, it keeps the track of every student, and, we make sure that whatever problem they're facing, we work on it, and we finally come to a solution for it.
Okay, wonderful. How has Learning supported you in terms of the platform and the team in your overall journey of teaching?
Well, Learning, it's really good, I must say, because it has supported me a lot, because it has helped me to use my skills. And talking about the team, it is so supportive. Like in Learning, there are teachers who have more than 20 years of experience, and when we all work together, for the well-being of students, who really want to work on their communication skills, it really gives a strength to us overall as a team. So I really appreciate that Learning, it is providing such a platform, not for teachers but for students as well, people who really want to work on their communication skills.
Yeah. And if you have to explain and describe Learning in one line, how would you do that?
Then I'll say that Learning is a platform which is not only beneficial for students but also for teachers as well.
Okay. And any message that you would like to give to other co-teachers who would like to teach at Learning?
Those people who have skills, really want to use their skills and want to teach. So I would say that Learning is the best platform, because it not only gives you the opportunity to teach, and you also feel good, when you are paid for it. So it
Exactly.
really makes you feel very wonderful. So I am really thankful to Learning, for helping me out to use my skills, and I'm really feeling very happy to be a part of this team.
So we are. Thank you so much. Thank you, Vansha, for your time. It was wonderful talking to you. Take care.
Welcome. Thank you.